Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to www.buyy.pk. Now today we'll show you powerful slingshots which are available on buyy.pk. We'll give you a review about that. It's made of high quality material, unique and gorgeous beauty, comfortable grip, outstanding performance. And if we are talking about catapults the use for outdoor entertainment, great learning toy for hand and eye coordinations. It's very strong. Don't aim at people or animal. Please guide your children to use correctly. And please, in length 300 meter, use 300-meter empty space. And it has three pipe rubber which make it more stronger than other catapults. So this is the short review of this catapults. Kindly comment, share and subscribe my channel for more products review.